Ask me. Dapat hindi siya lita. Dito. Hey! I saw a very big mystery here in the Philippines, right here in Kansas City. And we're going to show you the living species of a King Kong gorilla. Let's go here. He's playing PlayStation. Look, Snake. Oh my God.
His name is McKevin. Oh my God, this
Hey, let's go back.
He's very handsome.
He might devour us. Let's go back.
He's very handsome.
Hey,
Hey! Oh my God!
Let's
Oh my God! Just wait, bye-bye, handsome boy.
Oh my God, that's not a handsome.
And this is the birthday boy,
Let's go
Aaron.
back. Let's go back.
Oh, this is the host.
You just witnessed. You just witnessed.
Okay.
Living gorillas can be found here in the Philippines.
Okay. Oh my God.
You might devour us.
Oh, this is this is Timothy Daita, the host. This is Ricky Handsome,
Tama na natin.
the handsome boy.
Sige natin. And they're playing.
This is Jerome and Dexel.
Hello.
Look at that shot. Look at that shot by Jerome.
Oh my God. Oh, it's that shot. Oh my God. Oh, it's Scratch.